Dear April, in Germany we have a saying, April après, der macht was will, which basically means you do whatever you want. This mainly refers to your unpredictable weather decisions. And yes, you've outdone yourself there this year, going from beautiful, sunny and warm days to freezing rain and snowstorms. However, you turn out to be pretty unpredictable for my life as well, and ruined all the plans I had. When you came around, I was just back on my feet, making plans for my apartment, thinking of renovating a little, and also plans on how to organize work and exercise and hobbies better again. And then you pushed me off the cliff and into a new reality where all these plans have to be put on hold until I find a new job and know how much money and time I'll actually have for all of these things. Now don't get me wrong, April. Part of me likes the opportunity and embraces the necessity to change my routine. But another part would have wished for a break, just to gain some strength and lay back for a while. But like I said, you just do whatever you like, and I'll get by. Just wondering where your winds are blowing me. Cheers, Wiebke.